outraged over the gruesome rape and murder of the Calcutta doctor and subsequent lapses in the probe, what has added to the anger amongst the medical fraternity is now the vandalism at the RG Kar hospital. Now, in a response to the mayhem that unfolded at the midnight in the hospital where the 31-year-old was raped and murdered, the Indian Medical Association has announced the withdrawal of medical services starting 6 a.m. tomorrow morning till 6 a.m. on Sunday. While routine OPDs will remain restricted, emergency services will continue. This is what the IMA has said. The apex body of the Indian medical professionals also took the decision after visiting West Bengal day before yesterday and taking stock of the situation. The Federation of Resident Doctor Association, that is called FORDA, meanwhile has decided to resume its strike following the violence at the RG Kar hospital. Remember, they had called off the strike 2 days ago, but now they have resumed this strike.
प्रोटेस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर एक ही बहुत ही वायलेंट हमला हुआ और जबकि पुलिस भी वहाँ खड़ी थी और प्रशासन भी मौजूद था, कोई हेल्प नहीं मिली। कि हमारा जो पहला और सबसे मुख्य डिमांड है सेंट्रल लॉ अगेंस्ट द वायलेंस अगेंस्ट द मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड द हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स। ये क्यों चाहिए हमारे को कि वी वांट ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बिल अगेंस्ट द वायलेंस। लगभग 25 स्टेट में बड़े टूटे फूटे लॉज हैं जिसके बारे में इवन पुलिस को नहीं पता। एक मीटिंग हुई थी जिसमें नेशनल पदाधिकारी और सारे स्टेट्स के पदाधिकारियों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। उसमें आगे नेशनल IMA ने सभी स्टेट्स को एम्पावर किया कि आप अपने अपने स्टेट्स में प्रदर्शन को और ज़्यादा पुख्ता करिए।
Meanwhile, Central Bureau of Investigation has intensified the probe into the Calcutta rape and murder case. Sources have told Times Now that all the relevant aspects of the case are being investigated by the CBI and thorough forensic examination is also being carried out. CBI team visited RG Kar hospital yesterday and examined the place of occurrence as well, where this crime took place, and CBI Special Crime Branch has summoned 5 doctors for interrogation in connection with the case. But as far as the vandalism is concerned that took place yesterday night, so far 12 people have been arrested and few others have also been detained by the local police there. Those arrested have been sent to the police custody till 22nd of August, and in fact the raids are currently underway to identify the other culprits as well. Calcutta police has registered 3 suo moto cases in connection with the vandalism at the hospital, but what is now surprising here is that once again the hospital authorities haven't filed any complaint after such large-scale mob violence took place in the hospital yesterday. Now, in the rape and murder case as well, you saw that there was no complaint that was filed by the hospital, and it was the parents of the victim who had then filed the complaint with the local police. Even yesterday, some of the protesters gathered outside the RG Kar hospital and tried crossing the barricades that were in fact then stopped by the local police.
RG Kar अस्पताल के बाहर हमें, और आप देखिए यहाँ पर एक जो है ग्रुप आया था विरोध प्रदर्शन करने। आप तस्वीरों में देखिए किस तरह से महिलाओं को जो है धर पाकर करते हुए जो है लेकर जा रहे हैं। पुलिस उनको गिरफ्तार कर रही है, कह रही है कि वो यहाँ पर सड़क जो है अटकाकर ऐसा यहाँ पर रोक नहीं सकती है। ऐसे में आप देखिए किस तरह से पुलिस तमाम वो जो है लोगों को गिरफ्तार कर रही है जो यहाँ पे विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, और सड़क जो है खाली करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। उनको हटा दिया गया है और उनको जो है आगे की कार्रवाई के लिए उनको गिरफ्तार किया गया है। आपको तस्वीरों के माध्यम से दिखाना चाहेंगे। तमाम पुलिसकर्मी जो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं उन्होंने ये गैदरिंग को जो है हटा दिया और ये कहा कि वो RG Kar अस्पताल के पास नहीं जा पाएंगे, और ये चीज तब की जा रही है जब कल जो हमला हुआ था RG Kar अस्पताल में डॉक्टरों पर, और उसके बाद ही आज सुरक्षा इंतजाम को पुख्ता किया गया और उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए बैरिकेड्स भी लगाए गए हैं हॉस्पिटल के बाहर, और जो है यहाँ पर उनको गिरफ्तार किया गया है और उनको लेकर जाया जा रहा है।
Well, as far as the case is concerned, you heard that the CBI has intensified its probe in the Calcutta rape and murder case. Yesterday, the team visited the RG Kar Medical College and also examined the place of occurrence of the crime. They have in fact summoned 5 doctors for interrogation in connection with the case. Remember, till now, only one person has been arrested in this case, but CBI has waded in and is now going to question 5 other doctors. We have a breaking news coming in. BJP leader and Calcutta High Court advocate Mr. Bakshi has written to Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court seeking suo motu cognizance of the incident of vandalism that took place last night at RG Kar Hospital, with a prayer for directing appropriate investigation into the same and seeking deployment of CAFPF, that is Central Armed Police Force, at the hospital. So this is a letter that has been written to the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. My colleague Adrija joins us live in the broadcast. Adrija, so a letter has been written to the Calcutta High Court judge seeking the deployment of Central Armed Police Forces at RG Kar Hospital a day after vandalism took place there. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely. You see, in the end, in the place where such a gruesome incident had taken place, protests were going on, peaceful demonstration was going on by the doctors who are students of that particular college. But we saw that at the wee hours of night, a group of people came inside, in fact, barged inside the hospital and then entered the emergency building, and they ransacked the entire ground floor, for which all the services of the emergency building in the ground floor had to be suspended. Several people came yesterday for treatment and were sent back because of that situation in the college at the moment. At the same time, of course, police have been requested to deploy armed forces here. Police have already deployed armed forces here since yesterday. And at the same time, the raft police has also been brought here at RG Kar to ensure if any further escalation of situation happens, so that this can be controlled.
Well, absolutely. Calcutta High Court had to intervene as far as the case is concerned, and that is when the High Court had ordered the CBI probe into this case, and now the intervention is being sought as far as the vandalism is concerned. Thanking Adrija for all the updates as far as the case is concerned. Meanwhile, Times Now has been getting for you minute-to-minute detail of, regarding the case, and now we have tracked down the batchmate of Sumitra Biswas, who died in 2001. Now, it was first claimed that he had committed suicide, but later it came to the fore that was actually a murder case. Now, recalling the incident over 23 years ago, Sumitra's batchmate, who is now taking part in the present protest, said that even in that case, there was an attempt to suppress the facts. He also asserted that the ruling party has always had a big influence on the hospital and its administration. Listen in.
That was in 2001. We are then final year medical students here. So Sumitra was staying in hostel at Belgachia. And one evening we came to know that he has committed suicide. We are very shocked. We are classmates. So we could not know the story, what happened to him. Because we are not very close, though, because we are batch of 150 students. After 3 months, one news came in the Times of India. First page news was there that this is not a suicide case, but it's a murder. At that point of time, the ruling party and their student organizations, they tried to suppress the voice of the mother. And that was in strike in our mind, that why they are trying to suppress the voice. At that time, what happened, that the college authority was not very prepared to go for investigations. And the state machinery was also reluctant to have high-level investigations. For that, we have to do regular movement like this, what is happening now, to conduct a high-level investigation. Ultimately, we succeeded to go up to CID investigation at best at that time. We could not go for even better, just like now.
So RG Kar Medical College and Hospital always had this influence of the government or the ruling party in dispensation over the authorities of the hospital here?
Yes, that is correct.